This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Starter motor replacement. Removal. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Push the hood safety latch to your left, then raise the hood. Loosen the nut on the negative battery cable clamp, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Apply the parking brake. As an additional safeguard, chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Raise the front of the vehicle with a floor jack positioned under the subframe. Place the jack stands under the reinforced portion of the unibody seam. Then lower the jack. Remove the intake duct. Remove the protective boot from the positive battery cable to the starter. Disconnect the solenoid lead. Unbolt the positive battery cable from the starter. From under the vehicle, using an extension, remove the lower starter nut. Remove the upper starter bolt and cable bracket. Lay the cable out of the way. Guide the starter out of the engine. Installation. Guide the starter into position and align the bolt holes. Start the upper mounting bolt through the cable bracket and starter motor. To get the lower nut started, insert the nut into the socket and work the socket up to the bolt and hand start it. Tighten the starter mounting fasteners to the specified torque values. Reconnect the start solenoid lead and the main positive lead to the starter motor. Connect the starter positive lead to the solenoid and tighten the nut securely. Install the air intake duct. Raise the car with the floor jack, then pull the jack stands out and slowly lower the car. Remove the chocks from the rear wheels. Connect the cable to the negative battery terminal and tighten the cable clamp nut securely.